barely can feel my hands because of these things.
What is up, flockers? We are at the park for the first time in forever. And Tori got a hoverboard. When'd you get a hoverboard?
Birthday.
For your birthday? A year and a half ago. And she's only been on it maybe 2 or 3 times, so 6 months. All right, so we're gonna try and teach her how to ride this thing independently. So far, so good. We're a little nervous, but we're doing it. We're doing it. How you feeling, Tori? Is that a thumbs up or a thumbs in the middle? In the middle. Okay. We're getting there. We're going slowly, but we're getting there. We are getting there. Yes, Mom and Jules are super far. Way up there. You can't even see them.
The one with the red thing.
If you're wondering where we have been or why you haven't seen us much, it is because we have spent the better part of 2 months being sick. We went through having the flu as an entire family, to sinus infections, ear infections, a whole gamut of just nastiness. Lots of boxes of Kleenex that were gone through and whatnot. But we are better, and yeah, so that's why we are getting out again. Just that holiday slump. When you spend the better part of the holidays being sick and whatnot, it's kind of hard to get back into it, but we are trying to get back into it and get back out in nature and enjoy life, try new things. Yeah, we haven't been outside for a long time.
And that's why
We're the type of family that likes to spend time outside in nature, getting fresh air, but we have not done that a lot lately. So today, even though it is windy and chilly, we decided to put on our jackets. You still can feel your hands. That's good. Probably not for much longer, but we will do this for a little while and then probably hit up the playground before we go home. My mom's supposed to be coming over for lunch today. Here, let's go back on the right side so that when people come, we're not in their way. And yeah, hopefully have a chill day for the most part. It's probably, oof. There is a bump there. Probably not the smartest thing to do, to try to vlog and hoverboard at the same time. It is definitely not a smart idea, but we're doing it. Woo. I don't know how to use the hoverboard very well, but woo. We're doing it. Let's try not to break any old bones. Catching up to Mama and Jules. It's those cracks. What is up, flockers? We have a jam-packed weekend coming up. It's International Women's Day, and to celebrate, we are eating out tonight. Tori's finishing up her dance class. She should finish in about 10 minutes, and then we are going to go and have some Mexican food, because that's what we've been
the beach.
Girl, we're not going to the beach yet. That's not for 3 months.
Yes, you did. Go to the beach.
Clearly she's ready to go to the beach, but we're not going to the beach yet. What beach are we going to when it's raining outside, Jules?
He did.
No, we got our trip to the beach booked, but we're not going to the beach for another 3 months.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get set.
Yep. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. But now we need to get ready to go out into this rain, because like I said, it's raining. And
Yeah, it's raining outside today.
it's raining outside today. But yeah, so going to go get some food. Hopefully the girls will like it, because you never know with them what they're going to eat. They do really well with Moe's. We know what they like at Moe's, but that's Tex-Mex. They haven't had like authentic well, it's probably still not authentic, but more closer to the authentic Mexican food than Tex-Mex restaurant like Taco Mac. So we'll see how that goes, and then yeah, probably just back home to watch movies and chill and enjoy this nice drink. Oh no, I'm lying. After we eat, we gotta go grocery shopping because we are out of a lot of stuff at home. So we need to do our weekly grocery shopping. Then we'll go home and watch movies and chill. So let's go get this grubbing on. Those are bad.
No, it's not bad. It's
Yeah.
good.
No, it's not but sugar in that cereal.
It's not bad, Dad.
It's bad cereal. It's not healthy.
It's not bad cereal.
You want cereal?
Yeah.
We got some cereal. There's the cereal. Jules, what you got there? What you holding? What are you holding? Cereal? It's right there.
I can't see it.
Yes, you do.
No.
Yes, you do. They're right behind you. Where are we going?
We gotta see the balloon.
The Balloon Museum.
Yeah, the balloon is here. It's what you like.
Yep.
It's right where
We circled the parking lot for 30 minutes. Yeah, because there was no parking.
No parking, everything's around.
So hopefully,
The food is called out.
all of it.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to the Balloon Museum. And we actually haven't been here before. So I can't wait to see what they have there. Woohoo!
We're getting close.
Yes, we're getting closer.
It did get your face.
I did?
Yeah.